Okay, the last thing we're going to look at in this lesson is the volume of a hemisphere. So let's make sure that you know what a hemisphere is first. So basically what a hemisphere is when you take a sphere and you divide it in half, then we call each half a hemisphere. Okay, so when a plane intersects a sphere so that congruent halves are formed, each half is called a hemisphere. It's kind of like this picture down here. You can see that we've got half of a sphere. We don't have the whole thing, we just have half of it. So the volume of a hemisphere is V equals 2/3 pi r cubed. V equals 2/3 pi r cubed, okay? Which would kind of make sense if you think about the volume of a sphere. It was 4/3, so we cut that kind of in half there. That 4 gets cut in half to 2, okay? All right, so find the volume of the hemisphere here. Now, we need our radius again, and they have given us our radius. It is 7. So right here, this is our r. So our r equals 7. All right, so we've got 2/3 pi, and our r is 7 cubed. Okay, this becomes a calculator problem. So we're going to key in 2/3 times pi times 7 cubed. All right, that gives us 718.38. We round that 7 up to an 8 since the next number is a 7. 718.38. And since we don't have a unit listed here, we're just going to say units cubed. Whatever the units are, they're going to be cubed because we're dealing with volume. All right, guys, as always, if you have questions, let me know.